Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable startup audio recording on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin. First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, like that, and then you want to enter transmitter settings. In here, let's scroll right until we'll see Startup Auto Recording. As you can see, by default it is disabled, but we can always enable it. Though note that auto recording will apply to all connected transmitters. Though, as you can see, we only have one transmitter, and whenever we start it up, it should start recording. Just because I want to save my memory, I will keep that disabled though. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.